طلاب بالنسبة لquestion number 9 you have given h of x, x squared plus 2, g of x linear, and h of x radical. Use your calculator. So this is a graphing calculator question, and it's not going to be solved without using graphing calculator. So now you need to graph this. In order to graph this, you have to add this function f of x plus g of x first to get a new function, and the new function you insert it in the calculator. So f of x plus g of x, this will become x squared. Say x squared minus 2x plus 5. Now this is a parabola, so when you insert this in your calculator, graphing calculator, you will get a quadratic function, you get a parabola. If you want to take a look at the Mars scheme, here, you're going to get a parabola. There you go, high parabola. Okay, so it's x squared minus 2x plus 5. It's a parabola that opens upward with y-intercept equals to 5, as you can see here, y-intercept 5. Now for the second part, which is f of x minus h of x, so it's a quadratic function plus a radical function. Now you just have to make sure that here x is greater than or equal to 0, because you cannot have values less than 0. The radical or square root of a negative number is undefined or imaginary number, and the imaginary number is not included in your standard level. So the domain here is x greater than 0 or equal to 0. So the function will look something like this. It will be x squared plus 2 minus radical x minus the radical x. So you insert this in the calculator and you're going to get a question that is like this. Now you can do that using, if you want to use that, you can use it, for example, let's go to Desmos graphing calculator, and you can insert the function so that you can see it. There you go. So it's x squared. If you put here x squared, is it plus x minus radical x? Was it? Let me just insert these values. There you go. That's the graph or the answer, which is identical to what you have here. Okay, now for the last part, so you're going to multiply f of x times g of x, and the answer you're going to subtract the radical sign. So these you're going to multiply them as if you are multiplying two polynomials. So it's going to be x squared plus 2 multiplied by minus 2x plus 3 minus radical sign. Or you can just insert this all in the in your calculator. So you're going to go like this: x squared, close the bracket, and there's another bracket here, so you put the other bracket here, and then open another bracket that says minus 2x plus 3, close the bracket, and then minus radical sign or radical x. There you go. That's the graph of your new function. It looks something like this. Check on your Mars scheme. Again, students, these types of function, you are not responsible to draw them without the use of a calculator. Okay, so we're done. Thank you, students, for watching. Let me know if you have any comments on this question. You can comment in the comment section at the end of this page.